Arli, I love you. Are we at the park today? We're at the park today? Are you 5 days old? 6? You're 5 days old. 5 days old. At the park. Just woke up from your nap. Oh. Let me get you out of here. Out of the stroller. Oh. Okay, I have to put the camera down for a second. And then upsie baby. Woo! And then see what they're doing down there. Your brother and your sisters. They're playing with the rope. Ethan's swinging. You found treasure? Oh, because you have an X? X marks the spot, huh?
I'm gonna get it! I'm not hot.
The sun's pretty hot today.
Yeah,
it's the first really nice day since winter. It's March 16th, 2013. I'm recording.
Hi. We're on this thing.
Little Arli's got hiccups.
Hey, everybody!
We're watching. Whee!
Wanna try? Let's try. Is it my turn? Hold on, let me try. Hey! Hey, Remo! Ready? Action!
You can hold on for a while, huh?
Yeah. Listen, show me the egg. What? Show me the egg.
Oh, Andrew, you can go on forever, huh? He looks hungry. He looks hungry. It's so hot and sunny out.
Hey, who wants to see the twisty side? This is deep water. What? I'm going on the twisty twist, okay? Who wants to see me do the twisty twist? Ready? Set. Ready? Set.
Alright, it's hard to hold the baby and record this.
Can you put these in the basket? Make sure
Not right now, I can't. Put them in your pocket. Your pockets?
Yeah, but I don't. Can you put them in your pocket?
My keys are in that pocket.
And what's in here?
I don't know.
Nothing? Nothing?
Sandra? Oh, she ran away. Yeah. Yeah. I have to go now. Say bye. Bye.